In this video, we're going to talk about how to format your text in a document. There are several different options that you have. First of all, you should not format your text unless it is okay with your teacher. If they want you to type a paper, do not take it upon yourself to change the size of the font or the type of font. Make sure that that is okay with your teacher before you do that. If you're working on a personal document, of course you can do whatever you would like. So I've written the sentence, how to format your text, and we're going to look at some different things that we can do. So the first thing you can do for any text is you can change the font. And if you click the down arrow here, you will see that there are a lot of different fonts that you have to choose from. In order to change the font, first you must highlight the text you would like to change. So you do that by clicking your mouse at the end of the text and dragging the cursor over to highlight all of the text that you wish to change. Then you click here on the font and you can change it to whatever font you would like. The other thing you can do with your text is you can change the size. So we're going to highlight our text again. We're going to come up here. Notice when you hover your mouse over, it says font size, and we're going to change the size of our font. The next thing that you can do is make your font bold. Okay, that wasn't much of a change because that's kind of a bold font to start with, but it definitely changed a little bit. You don't have to format the entire block of text if you just want to draw attention to one word. You can also just highlight that one or two words and change that. Now, something that is going to be your best friend throughout all of your editing processes is this little button right here. This little button is called undo. If you make a mistake, you click undo, and it undoes the last thing that you did. You can continue to click undo, and it will undo everything it remembers. I'm going to go back to that font. Okay, now I'm going to make my size bigger again just so we can see it. All right, so then we have other options besides bold. We also have italic, and italic is, of course, when it puts your font on that lovely little slant. And to get rid of it, you simply click it again. You can also underline. Okay, and again, get rid of it. Click it again. And you can also change the color of your text. You can choose whatever color you would like. Now this can be a little tricky. You need to make sure that you are on text if you want to change the color of your text. You also can highlight. So if you want to change the highlight color like you were using a highlighting marker, you need to make sure that you click over here on the highlight button. And then for highlighting, you usually want to pick a light color. So usually this yellow, green, or blue, or some of the lighter colors here, but yellow is usually nice for a standout. And then you have highlighted your text. So once again, we can change the font, we can change the size, we can make our text bold, italic, underlined, we can change the text color, and we can highlight the text. So take some time now and practice doing these different things to a line of text in your Google document.